Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your preferred units of measurement on the Fatmap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page and after that tap on this profile button, which is the fourth option down below. After that, click on the menu section in the upper right corner of the screen and click on settings, which is the last option in the middle of the screen. Scroll down to the app preferences section and then click on units of measurement, which is the first option. And here you can select from two options, either metric or imperial units of measurement. As you can see, metric includes kilometers and meters. On the other hand, imperial includes miles and feet. So click on the relevant one and then units of measurement will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.